Have you ever looked out to an open lake and wondered if the Loch Ness Monster was real? Today we'll be traveling throughout San Antonio, Texas, visiting some of the top 25 weirdest attractions, and some of them might surprise you. We will only be visiting 3 of these places today. Some of these places can take a lot of time, and we spend almost the whole day out on our adventures. It is important to note that many of these places are free to visit and can make for a unique experience in San Antonio. They can also be a fun activity to enjoy with friends and family. We start the day at Tom Slick Park, located only 5 miles away from SeaWorld. Tom Slick was an adventurer and businessman. He had a passion for cryptozoology, specifically the Loch Ness Monster. Despite not being from San Antonio, he established the Loch Ness Phenomena Investigation Bureau and a research center in the city. With ample funding and advanced technology, he continuously looked, but, as you know, the mystery remains unsolved. Tom Slick Park honors his contributions to the unknown, and it features a statue in the park which symbolizes his remarkable life. As we explore through 25 weird places in San Antonio, this park serves as an exceptional first stop embodying his legacy and fascination with the unknown. The park has lots of shade and a dog park, but be sure to bring plenty of water. The fountains were not working when we went. We stopped by the dog park to make some friends before continuing on our journey. As you are heading to see Nessie, you will pass the dog park on your right. Follow the path until you come upon this sign. We took a left and continued only a short distance. Along the way, you'll see lots of butterflies and dragonflies, which are reliable bioindicators of a healthy ecosystem. If you're lucky, you might come across Nessie in the water. In fact, your chances of running into her in San Antonio might be greater than in Scotland, depending on how high the water is. This concludes the first place on our list, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see us visit every place. After this journey, it was hot, and we took a small detour for a refreshing treat. I highly recommend visiting this place, and you can find it tucked away in this corner near the medical center. On the menu, you can find ice cream, snacks, shaved ice, and milkshakes. I got corn in a cup and a cucumber lime aguas fresca. If you're not from San Antonio, corn in a cup is a must-try and can be found made with different recipes throughout the city. And my friend had some ice cream. As you can imagine, our treats were very yummy, and this is a great place to visit. Check out their Facebook and Instagram to see their paletas. But before we go, we could not help but notice the child's play area, which we thought was a very creative use of space. As we ventured out to our next destination, the Golden Age Conceptual Art Space and Tobin Land Bridge, we realized how difficult navigation to these destinations was going to be. SanAntonio.gov, Google Maps, and Phil Harberger Park's website helped us finally end up at our destination, but I will save you some time. If you wish to visit these 2 locations, your best bet is to park at the Urban Ecology Center on Northwest Military. Once here, you will find shade, public restrooms, water, and a display case with seasonal and annual birds to look for throughout the park. The Urban Ecology Center serves as a model for environmental stewardship, promoting ecological responsibility and connecting the community with nature through education and hands-on discovery. We grabbed some water and continued right around the corner to our second weird attraction in San Antonio, the Golden Age Conceptual Art Space. The art installation by Anne Wallace was inspired by the history of the land that once saw regular wildfires and herds of buffalo. We also saw some deer, but I did not see the little one until it was too late. If you continue down this path, you will see signs directing you to the Tobin Land Bridge. It's only a half-mile walk, but remember, that's each way. Be prepared. We also saw some beautiful flowers. Once you reach the land bridge, you may not even realize you're there. You will hear cars below, and that pretty much tells you you have reached your destination. There is a wildlife blind, which to me looks pretty peaceful. The blind gives visitors an opportunity to view wildlife in their natural habitat, as well as a plaque next to it that tells visitors what native plants exist in the park. It has viewpoints from various heights. How cool is that? They also ask that you keep the area free of trash and refrain from making loud noises. Even with the busy street below, it's fairly quiet. If we had not seen both sides of the bridge, we would not have even known we were there. The Tobin Land Bridge in San Antonio, Texas is an extraordinary wildlife crossing that sparks excitement and awe. Connecting sections of Phil Harberger Park, it ignites ecological connectivity, creating a dynamic habitat for diverse animal species. Stand on the observation decks, soak in the breathtaking panoramic views, and witness wildlife in action. The conservation marvel has garnered prestigious awards reflecting San Antonio's passion for preservation and innovation. With its blend of urban development and wildlife conservation, this exhilarating destination invites you to embark on a thrilling adventure. Experience the thrill of crossing Wurzbach Parkway on a bridge spanning 150 feet wide as you immerse yourself in the wonders of nature. Don't miss the chance to explore the Tobin Land Bridge. It's a journey you won't forget.